Regardless of the field you pursue, innovation will enable you to tackle complex problems, offer sustainable solutions, and create lasting value. As Tangaza University graduates, you are called upon to lead with imagination and courage, to envision a better world, and to act boldly to bring that vision to life. Today marks not only the end of one stage in your educational journey, but also the beginning of a new chapter filled with limitless possibilities. As you join the distinguished community of Tangaza alumni, I urge you to embrace this new phase with a commitment to making a positive impact on yourself and ultimately on humanity. Once again, to the graduating class of 2024, my congratulations to you and to your families who have supported you every step of the way. I was earlier informed by one of the students, one of the PhD students here, that this great institution and university, newly chartered, is working on a resource center. And they requested me to see what I can do by way of support to that resource center. I have discussed this with the Minister for Education, and the Kenya government is going to support that resource center with 50 million shillings for purposes. And so, between the management of this great institution and the Ministry of Education, they will work out the mechanics of us working together. And in the same spirit, I want to commend the leadership of this great institution and the community of this great institution for the positive change and impact that you're making. I know this institution was once upon a time part of Catholic University, and I have a relationship with Catholic University. Some of my children learned there. And so in this compound, we've been here many times around this compound. And it is very gratifying that we are here today to do this together. And I want to ask all of us, leaders, the clergy, Kenyans, to work together towards a nation that we can all be proud of. And even as we engage in public discourse on matters that are important to the people of Kenya, we must be careful to be factual, lest we become victims of the things we accuse others of doing. I know you know what I mean. Finally, go forth, therefore, with the confidence of someone empowered here at Tangaza University, ready to teach minds, to touch hearts, and to transform lives everywhere you go. May God be with you, and may you honor His will by living up to your purpose. God bless you. God bless our great country, Kenya, and God bless Tangaza. Asanteni sana.